Walk all the way, open the feet again, then. Yes, jump it inside. How about the plastic cup? Last amigo, walk all the way. Yes, jump it inside. See, if the birds knew, why can't we, right? So please help us to maintain our environment to lead and breathe, because here in the Cebu Safari, we all believe in the saying that cleanliness is next to godliness. Now always remember the 5 R guys. We have to refuse, recycle, repurpose, reduce, and of course, the recycle and the reduce. Okay, so now, amigo, together's blind friend and friends has something to tell you. What is it, amigo? Welcome to Cebu Safari's first show. Ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our 5 macaws. What is the 5 macaws, buddies? Alright, so here's our tweetable macaw, and there's more. Yes, all down to the stage, buddy. Okay, so we have a total of 7 blue and gold macaw, and Carmen, Hardy, Tony, Harry, and JR. And 1 green wing macaw named Ringo. Did you know that there were 370 species of parrots on Earth? And macaws are the largest. They love wheat and flower seeds. They also have a very, very hard bill, which can crop a hard shell nut, just like hazelnut and almond nuts. So in the wild, they can live up to 70 years. Alright, so take my little buddy. Where you go? So now for the next bird, he's a very special and intelligent bird. Now I need your help to cousin. Can you help me? Can you say Jumbo? Jumbo. Louder please, say Jumbo. Jumbo. Where are you, Jumbo? Yes, he's over another green wing macaw. Hey Jumbo, why don't you wave to the people up here? Hi. I'm out, they didn't turn off your flash. Okay. Again, Jumbo, can you wave to the people up there? Hi! Macaws are very long-tailed feather, which can extend to 3 feet from their body to their tail. Now Jumbo is going to show you this very long-tailed feather. Hey Jumbo, why don't you turn around and show them your tail? Speed! One more round, Jumbo. Yes, good job, Jumbo. And most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under its wings. So what does its wings? Can you say wings? Let's try one more time. Can you say wings? Yes. And they are also zygodactylous type of bird, meaning they have two toes that point forwards and 2 toes that point backwards. Now Miss Debbie prepared a special reward because here in the safari we try to have the reward system. Now Miss Debbie prepared a special food for Jumbo, and let's see how will Jumbo get his reward. Lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. So that's the reward system. By using his beak or bill, it's because his beak serves as a third finger or third foot, used for climbing and holding things. Now before Jumbo gonna go home to his home, Jumbo is also a very, very sweet type of bird. Now Miss Debbie, can you show us to them? Can you show us how Jumbo sweet? Alright, okay. How sweet Jumbo is? One more time, please. Yes, okay. Thank you, Jumbo, and our round of applause for green wing macaw named Jumbo. Thank you, Jumbo. Now this side, I need a volunteer. Who wants to be a volunteer? Raise your hands. I need the help of Miss Debbie. Alright, so cute. And Fluffy said your name is Bunny. Hey Bunny, why did you fly down this? Okay. Sangreers are all the way from South America, but these sangreers of ours, they were breeding and raised in captivity from California. They are also called as sand parroquets in California. They are renowned for having a golden plumage from their head down to his body and a green wings and also in their tails. Thank you, buddy. Alright, so thank you, Mom. Now, I need another day. We will grant your wish, okay? Now this time, I want you to introduce again our floppy Okay, buddy? And voila, yes. So centenarians are often called as little macaws because of their screeching calls. They can live up to 20 to 25 years in a while here in captivity because they set it up more. So they love to eat sunflower seeds. They love to observe the surroundings. Now, thank you, baby, and happy birthday once again. Oh. Just follow the instruction of Miss Debbie. Just wear the hat, do not move, and hold the hat with your one hand. Mom, parang mas nindot, put your one hand in the hips. Right hand in the hips. Yes! Okay. Now this time, let me introduce you our couple second-year named Nick and John. Buddies, why did you fly there? Did you know that second-years are monogamous type of bird? Meaning in each pair, they only have one partner for a lifetime. So sa katong mga dili mo buhay forever diha, sila there is forever. They look to forever. They love to eat sunflower seeds, and thank you, buddies. Now let me close your little house. Thank you, and bye-bye. Okay, so Mom, so now I have to ask you, where's your money now? Do you have all your money? Can you show your money up to them? How much do you have? Miss Doll has a 1,000 peso bill. Okay, all you have to do with your money, Mom, fold your money to half 3 times. And that's one. That twice. Yes. So now, Miss Doll, are you fun watching Miss Universe? Yes, every year. Okay, so this time ikaw ang move Miss Universe, okay? So just follow me. Right side beside me. Okay. And follow me. Just hold the money and stretch your arm and pose like this. Pointed toe, stretch your arm. And one hand in the hips. Now this time you look like Miss Universe. Do not move, mama, okay? Do not hold the money so tight. Now this time, let me introduce to you the twin brother of mine named Sunny. Sunny loves playing. Hey Sunny, Miss Doll has a 1,000 peso bill. What will you do with the money? Why to Miss Doll? Oh, walk away, pick up the money. I got it, Stevie. Hey, where's the money? Oh, so you returned the money. Pick up the money again. I returned the money. Hey, what will you do with the money? Don't be shy with Miss Doll. Now make sure I will give you up. Miss Universe, now let's try one more time. Let's hold the money. And I think Sunny's amazed by the golden jewelry of Miss Doll. Okay, Sunny? Hey. Sometimes in the wild, they love to play around. And they love to play with us. It's because just like, as I've said earlier, that just like humans, birds also have their own good feelings. Ikaw has some ganyan ka. Hey, Sunny, Miss Doll has a 1,000 peso bill. What will you do with the money? Fly to Miss Doll. Don't pick up the money. Fly to Miss Doll. Come on. Don't give back the money. It's yours already. And I think Sunny is showing his good intention, so his good attitude. Okay, so we'll take another one. Is it okay if we'll have? What will you do with the money? Alright, Miss Debbie. Okay, a round of applause. Copy something you named Sunny. Now this time I need more money. Who can give me more money? A volunteer who has a 1,000 peso bill. The higher, the better. Money. Usually, guys, in the wild, centuries love to pick around to get their food. Okay? Yes, our round of applause, our fluffy second unit. Son, thank you, Maria, here. Our dancing bird, Vice Ganda! Together's mentor, Miss Janice. Black African crown crane occurs in dry savanna of the Africa south of the Sahara. They are renowned for having a red patch under the eyes and wearing a golden crown. Dance, when did you dance? Dance, boys. So Vice Ganda, we're gonna dance by bowing his head or moving his head up and down. So among all the cranes, they are the only cranes that can nest on the trees. Unlike any other cranes, sa ground na sila would nest. So there are two types of African ground crane in the wild. We have the black African ground crane and the gray African ground crane. So their diets, they love to eat black parks, seed heads, insects, small reptiles, and just like any other omnivorous type of bird. And for you to know that they are the national bird of Uganda. And in the wild, they could live up to 15 to 20 years, and like in captivity, they could extend it up more. They could live more. Their wingspan can extend it up to 6.8 feet, while their weight could weigh an average of 3.6 kilograms. And careful, buddies. Spread your wings and fly down to the ceiling. Come on, we'll go home. Okay, so put your hands together to our black African ground crane, Vice Ganda. Thank you, Vice. I think he's enjoying the stage. Now, from Africa, let's fly to Brazil, because we have here our handsome Tugu-Tucan, Mr. Horn. So Tugu-Tucan, or Mr. Horn, is known for having a very colorful and large beak or bill. Some of you are wondering if their bills are heavy, but actually it's not. Their bills or beak are extremely light, made up of protein keratin, just like our ears and our nails. They are also known for having a very black color of their body and a white throat, and also in their tails and a blue legs. So their diets, they love to eat insects, and their favorite insect is eating a grasshopper and green monkeys. Now Miss Derry prepared a slice of papaya fruit, and let's see how Mr. Horn will catch his food. Let's see. And yes, catch. One more time, Miss Debbie. Where is that one? So, and when they travel, they will just flap their wings and fly between branches. It's because they cannot sustain longer in the airborne. It's because they only have a very, very short wings. So they will just hop and hop until he'll reach a certain destination. Wanna go home, Mr. Horn? Hi. Okay, so a round of applause to our handsome Tugu-Tucan, Mr. Horn. Now this time, let's meet Mr. Horn's friend. Because we have here our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot, our mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy. Together with my mentor, my partner stage, Miss Janice. So mimic is a copy sound of what we hear every day, right, Miss Janice?
Yes, that's right. And yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is one of the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
So this is Lani
and
that is
Rudy.
Rudy. So Lani, why don't you say hello?
Say hello.
Hello.
Again, say hello. Hello. Did you
Aside
hear
from
that?
that, Miss Janice, what else they mimic?
Well, they can mimic a different sounds of the animal, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
Okay, a rooster, a cat, and a dog.
Yeah.
So now let's try for the rooster first.
Sing.
Cat.
Sing, Campbell. Campbell.
How about cat? Cat.
Oh, how about dog?
How about dog?
Again, bark. Wow.
How about telephone ringing Lani?
Again, telephone. Wow.
Oh, whistle. specialty nila is singing.
Yes, they really love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a
Warm
warm
up
up.
first. Now, let's do the warm up, Lenny.
Okay,
Ready? La 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 la. La 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 la. Warm up na sila. Okay, so are you ready for the song? Before we sing, let me ask you a question.
Please say that.
And then Rudy will sing a very special song. Right? Okay, so we're running up also our mimicking bird. Larry and Rudy. Is that the urinal bird of prey? The urinal is only active on daytime, or they do mostly of hunting food on daytime. And for that, we need a lure, handled by Mr. J. So the lure serves as the real food, and let's see how this bird of prey will catch his food. We call him the good catcher bird of prey. Now, Mr. J, are you ready? Okay, so everyone, keep your eyes alert, because here he comes, our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Careful. Run, Mr. J. Careful. Go. You see that? That's how fast or accurate Hunter catches his food. So in exchange of the lure, Miss Debbie prepared a real food and a real prey. It's because Hunter will not let go of the lure unless he has no exchange for food or prey. So here in the Philippines, they are considered as one of the endangered species in our country due to hunting and trade, habitat loss, and also due to deforestation. And as what you hear in the news that what happened in the Amazon fire or forest fire, lots of wildlife are awarded with shelter. That's why we try to make you realize, guys, on how important or kung saan importante ang nature, especially to the wildlife. So here in the Philippines, they are scientifically known as Recycles philippinensis. So originally found in the Philippines. So once again, our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Thank you, Hunter. Now let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey. Nocturnal is the opposite of the diurnal. So everyone, I want you to keep calm, relax, and be silent, because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Satsu. So centuries or decades ago, a pharaoh. Alright, so here's the pharaoh. Philippine eagle owl is scientifically known as Bubu philippinensis. Most of the owls have a large head and a bulging eyes. Their eyes are good in total darkness. You know why? Because they can see 10 times better than the human's eyes. And for their hearings are accurate, it's because they can hear a mouse squeak half a mile away. And most of the owls living in a tree barns or a tree hole, and as you can see at the hole on the side, that is the home of Tatu. And let's see if Tatu will fly back to his home. Ready and wakabo. Careful. Come on, Tatu. Careful. Where's the hole? So he's having hard time. It's because they are a nocturnal bird of prey. It's hard for them para makita. Medyo suwong pa tayo na sila. Wanna say that, Tatu? Okay, so their diets, they love to eat small animals, small reptiles, small birds, insects, and just like any other raptors. And they fly very, or almost silently. It's because of the softened edge of their feathers. So now, I want you to meet the twin brother of Tatu named Casper. Fly down to the stage. Did you hear the sound? Did you hear the sound? It's because, as I've said, that they fly almost silently is because of the softened edge of their feathers. Here in the Philippines, Philippine eagle owl is commonly known as, can you guess? Bukaw or Puado. And they're mostly in the wild. They could live up to 15 to 20 years. And like in captivity, they can extend it up more. So I guess Casper is going back to his home. Ready, Casper? I count of 3. 1. And okay, so a round of applause. So you can see Miss Janice is holding a wooden ladder and a piece of wood. Because this bird, or the next bird of prey, is a good snatcher bird of prey. Are you ready, Miss Janice? Okay, so everyone, let me introduce to you our Brahmani guide named Shadow, all the way from Southeast Asia. Let's see, and yeah, snatches food. So with just the tip of their talons, they can easily snatch their food. And snatch again. So Brahmani kite is also called as the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. They are renowned for having a white plumage from the head down to its body and the reddish-brown wings and also in their tails. So here in the Philippines, some of you are familiar to it because Brahmani kite here in the Philippines is commonly known as, can you guess? Barnog in Bisaya, Lawing in Tagalog. So when they just, right, so thank you. And just like vultures, they love to eat decayed bodies of dead animals. So once again, our Brahmani guide named Shadow. Thank you, Shadow. Now at this dare to pray in the show, keep your hands up high to our young, white-bellied sea eagle, Rana. Freshwater snakes, fresh fish, small animals, small reptiles, arthropods, amphibians, and just like any other raptors. And yes, once again, our young white-bellied sea eagle, Rana. Now to seal this moment to make it memorable, we have here our flying armies all the way from Australia. So we have 3 kinds of lorries, dusky lorries, chattering lorries, and the blue and the red lorries. Sige naman nagkatayan kung kumain kami. So last but not the least, we also have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony of our good love region. Hope you guys learned something about the birds. Not only the birds, but also the entire show. Hope you guys will enjoy and amazed by the show. And it's because they're so very special for us, we will allow